Hello everyone, today we are going to make quilling Rakhi. So for the first Rakhi, I have taken half strip of yellow paper and half strip of blue color and joined them together using Fevicol. Now I am taking the yellow end and starting rolling the quilling strip from the yellow end itself, and I will make a bent leaf shape or a bent marquee. Our petal is ready. Now we will make total of 9 petals, that is we will make 8 more petals for the first layer of our first Rakhi. Now we will also make petals of the second layer like this. The method of making these petals is similar as that of the first one. The only difference is that we'll start coiling from the blue end. In the same way as the previous one, we'll join half blue and half yellow, but we'll start coiling from the blue end and again make a loose coil and then a half leaf shape, a half bent leaf shape. Our petal is ready. Similarly, we'll make 7 more petals, in total 8 petals. Now we'll start joining the first layer and the second layer by and by. Now we are first joining the first layer. We'll just put Fevicol and join all the sides. As you can see, I have joined the first layer. Now we'll keep it aside and allow it to dry for some time. Now in the similar way, we'll join the outer layer as well. I have taken 2 circles of yellow paper and now I'll stick it at the back side or at the bottom side of our Rakhi like this. Now I'll add glue on the top side of our bottom layer and put our top layer on it in order to stick both the layers together. One thing to note is that we have to place the top layer diagonally, that is in between two petals of the bottom layer, one petal of the top layer should come. Now, in order to give my flower a 3D effect, I have taken a thermocol glass and I have put my flower on the back side of it, and I am just applying a little bit of pressure in the center of the flower so that it bends a little bit inside. As you can see, the flower has bended a little bit, and this gives it a 3D shape, a 3D effect. The actual 3D effect in quilling is given by using silicone, but since it's locked down and it's difficult to get one, I have shared this technique with you all so that you can use Fevicol and make your 3D flower. Now I am adding a pearl, a white color pearl in the center of my flower to complete it. Our flower is ready. Now we will add thread at the back of it so that we can make our Rakhi. I have taken 2 threads. You can add any thread of your choice, any color, and I have just turned my flower upside down, and then I'll put Fevicol on the yellow paper which we have sticked on it. I am putting Fevicol again on the thread and the yellow paper, and then I'll stick another yellow paper over it to secure the things. Our Rakhi is ready. So did you all see how easily and effortlessly we made our Rakhi? In a similar way, you can make a Rakhi out of any quilling flower which you like. And now if the threads are too long, you can also tie a knot at the end. Now for the second Rakhi, for the center part of it, I have joined 2 yellow strips, 2 orange strips and 1 red strip of 3 mm quilling strips, and now I am making a tight coil out of it. As you can see, our tight coil is ready. Now for the outer part, I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color and 1/4 strip of orange color and joining them both using Fevicol, and we'll make a teardrop shape out of it. We'll make 11 teardrops in total. Now I am putting glue at the end of each teardrop and attaching it to my tight coil. applying glue in the center of the back side of my Rakhi and then pasting a yellow circle on it. Also, I am pasting a stone in the center of my Rakhi, as you can see. Now, in order to secure the ends of our teardrop, I am applying glue between all our teardrops and the tight coil so that it does not fall off. In a similar way as we have done in the previous Rakhi, we'll attach the thread in this one too and then paste a yellow circle over it. Our second Rakhi is also ready. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you. Have a nice day.